Brazil is about 8.5 million square kilometers. It occupies the eastern part of the South American continent and is the fifth largest country in the world. Its varied geography includes the Amazon jungle, Brazil highlands, and the longest coast in the world. It is separated into 5 regions and 26 states. Brazil has a population of 205 million as of 2015. The first and third cities in South America here: Sao Paulo with 20 million people and Rio de Janeiro with 13 million people. Brazil's population density is 24.1 people per square kilometer, and 85% of them live in urban places. Brazil has the largest economy in Latin America, and its middle class is rapidly expanding. Brazil has a purchasing power of $3.3 trillion, the 8th largest world economy.
The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world at over 5.5 million square kilometers and encompassing 9 countries. 60% of the rainforest is located in Brazil. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and is commonly referred to as the lungs of the planet. The Brazilian rainforest is one of the most biologically diverse regions in the world, with over 1 million classified species of plants and animals, as well as countless other unclassified species. Brazil has one of the highest deforestation rates in the world, mainly due to logging, agriculture, and cattle ranching. Since 1970, over 750,000 square kilometers of the Amazon rainforest has been deforested. Although the rates of deforestation in Brazil have slowed over time, there have been periods as recent as 2008 and 2013 where the rate of deforestation increased. In the past 45 years, about 20% of the rainforest has been removed, a percentage that may be lower than the true figure, as it is difficult to account for the selective logging that occurs. Many scientists fear that an additional 20% of the remaining rainforest will be lost over the course of the next few decades. Since 1970, 91% of all land deforested has been used for the purpose of livestock.
The cow. Cattle ranching is one of the biggest destroyers of the forest. But people all over the world want to eat beef, and selling beef products is big business. Cattle need more and more space to feed on, as each year the grass gets poorer. So the ranchers too move on and burn some more forest, leaving another disaster area behind.
Accomplishments of the ARPA, or Amazon Regional Protected Areas, have been seeking to work with national authorities to reduce the rate of deforestation. The ARPA hopes to have 10% of the rainforest under strict supervision by expanding and consolidating areas to be conserved. This creates public awareness about environmental concerns and creates a program to educate individuals on this problem. The ARPA has protected 270,000 square miles. There has been a rise of 240,000 square miles since their establishment in 2004 through 2009, leading to a 37% decrease in deforestation. We want to answer, how could we effectively reach the Brazilian middle class to socially collaborate in order to expand public awareness about deforestation? With the $1 billion that we are allocated, we came up with an organization named Better Brazil, whose main focus is protecting the rainforest. Better Brazil wants to propose a fun yet educational way to bring awareness to the people of Brazil. We want to propose to build an economically friendly amusement park on the outskirts of the Amazon forest. This park will have attractions such as skylining, rock climbing, kayaking, canoeing, and more. All of the features are designed so that those coming can see the beauty of the forest so that they will be less inclined to cut down the forest. In the middle of the park will be a science center, which will include many different scientific facts about different aspects of the forest. Not only will the park create a fun and educational environment, but will also create jobs for many citizens. There will be jobs for those who run the amusement park as well as those who work in the science center. Along with these jobs, there will be a need for people to go through the forest and collect different aspects that will be researched for the science center.